Hi, in this video, we will learn how to create a mailing campaign for an appointment reminder. Once inside of the 360 NRS main dashboard, go ahead and click on Create Mailing Campaign. Appointment Reminder, Create. We can see that here, we can edit the name of our campaign. We need to add the answer to address, the sender address, and the sender name. Then we need to add recipients. There are three ways in which we can add recipients. We can import databases, add them manually, or use existing groups. This relates to previously uploaded databases and created groups. In this video, we're going to import new recipients. This takes us directly to the Media Manager, where I have uploaded these files. You can always upload new files by clicking here. I will choose this CSV file. First thing to change is if the main column responds to that one containing the emails. Then, we need to check whether or not our database contains headers. As you can see, this one does contain headers, so I'm gonna click on yes. Then, we should put here which column is the appointment we want to remind. Remember that by ticking on this box, we confirm that these contacts have given their express consent to receive our communications. Back on this screen, we can see that this particular database has 9 recipients. We can also see the total cost of the campaign so far. Let's edit the title of our campaign. I'm going to use a personalized custom field. An emoji. You can always create a new template with this very simple and efficient drag and drop system. In this video, we're going to use a template, and we're going to use a reminder for this online webinar. You can always edit the templates that are already uploaded in the platform. You can drag and drop new blocks and then put content on them. Then we need to decide when do we want to send this appointment reminder. If you want to do it in the same day, one day before, 1 week before, etc. Let's put it a day before. You should also decide the sending time for the email. Remember that this sending time will affect all of your database. It's always recommendable before sending any campaigns to send a test. By clicking here, you can save this campaign to continue to edit it in the future, or clicking Validate to validate your template. You must validate all of your email templates before you can send any campaign. That way, we can also ensure that you're getting the best of your campaigns.